Now, so ladies and gentlemen, as you can hear from Mr. Mohammed Hassan, the CEO of Hasmu, and for that matter, the CEO of Shandong Jingsen Hasmu Heavy Industry Factory. You know, officially, he is now our company agency in Ghana. So if you are from Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, or any part of Ghana or any part of Africa that you are looking for agriculture machinery or building construction machinery to buy, you don't need to go further. If you are afraid of risking to transfer money directly to us here in China, we can easily direct you to Mr. Hassan, our agency in Ghana, with an office in Tamale, Wali and Accra. And so he will help you with the payments and everything. So there is no need to be afraid. And the quality is assured. Aside that, there are a lot of spare parts available in his warehouse in Ghana, and also some samples of the machines are available in his warehouse in Ghana. You can go there to have a look and then attest to the fact that our factory is indeed the #1 in China.
And you can call me anytime, no matter where you are living at the time. Okay. 24/7, my phone is active, and I'll get save you well.
Okay, thank you so much. All right.